This is where we're from. Where we grew up. Where we belong. Feeding the world. Providing all that is good. Passing on the essentials of life. Inspired by nature, this new nutrient-rich formula protects our calves. Balanced, providing everything they need. New Sprayfo Ultimo is built to nurture calf development, accelerating growth by 3 weeks. Healthier, stronger calves at 3 months. Earlier breeding, fewer health problems, higher productivity. Today, and for generations to come. Feeding a sustainable dairy industry, responsible and profitable. Sprayfo Ultimo. Empower every calf.